Good morning, boys and girls. This morning we have a very special miner, a very special new arrival at WRCC. So why so special, you ask? Well, this one is a 1951 series Morris miner. And why is it so special, you ask? Well, if you spotted the obvious mistake, it's a 1951 and it should be a low light, but it isn't a low light. So the reason for that, it's one of only 6,000 canvas side Torahs produced for the American market before the actual highlights were introduced. They made some especially for America. This one never got to America. It was sold in Manchester to a chap down in Cheshire who ran it for roughly 1,500 miles and then died, and it stayed in that garage until 2004 when it came out of the garage and went to its new owners in Leeds, who restored her. So it'd only done 1,500 mile then, it's only done 9,000 mile now. Out of those 6,000 cars that were ever produced that are actually highlight, low lights for want of a better description, there's only 15 left. This one's mist green. I can show you some of the bits and pieces that indicates that it is a low light. Comes with a lot of history. Obviously, the owner that we bought it from is prominent in the Morris Miner Owners Club. They've provided a lot of provenance with it. It's actually got a copy of the ledger when it was first registered as well, which I can pull out of the file for you. It's a ex-concours car. Wait 1 second. So obviously the Art Deco dash, interior is absolutely perfect. Hood's absolutely perfect. In fact, it's an ex-concours car, winner of the Nationals, or the Morris Miner Nationals. As you can see, it's showing 9,000 mile. I will pop the bonnet and let you have a look at her, but absolutely stunning condition always round, as you'd expect from a 9,000 mile car. It's not, as we always say, it's not absolutely 100% perfect, because I've never described anything as 100% perfect. Paintwork's lovely, and it is an absolutely drop dead car. Original tags on the wiring loom there. It goes without saying that the inner wings and everything's all perfect, as you'd expect. Engine's all good. Now, if you look down there, there is where your low light headlights will be in the cutouts there, but obviously they're not, because it's got the cheese grater grille on it. So it's, for want of a better description, an intermediate model between the Series and the low light. And to be fair, if I had a car collection and I were looking for something a little bit special, this would be the car that I'd stick in it. Have a look in the boot. So obviously comes with hood bag, which is in the Morris Miner Owners Club bag there. Comes with all the restoration pictures of when it was pulled out of the barn. Obviously the inner wings and everything, I mean the boot edge and the aperture's all really nice and clean. Inner wings are immaculate, as you'd expect. The boot floor is absolutely immaculate there. The wings, obviously the high cut wings, all there, perfect order, as there should be as well. So one, as I said to you before, only one previous keeper on the logbook, and that is the one from 1951. So there you go. So he acquired it in 1951, brand new, in Manchester. Took it on home and then ran her for 1,500 miles. And then this is a bit interesting. This is a copy of the Cheshire County Council, or the Cheshire Motor Vehicle Department register. And if you have a look, there she is on the register, NMB 757 918 Morris Minotaur. So you get a copy of that with it as well, which has got all the cars that were registered on that date or around that date in Chester. So that in itself is pretty cool as well as a history file and the restoration pictures. It's hard to get across how cool this car is, really. So you best, as always, come in and having a look at it. Full details will be at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. You can call on 01422 881221, ask to speak to Dan, that's me. Or email us at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk for further details. But it's a stunner, so be quick. Thanks, guys.